Welcome to our sewing adventure. Today, we're going to craft something super cute for your little one, the Yoke baby frock. It's a sweet dress with a special yoke, that's the top part, that makes it look extra fancy. For making the baby frock, you can use thin printed poplin, khadi, cambric, voile, etc. But if you are a beginner, prefer using cotton voile fabric. To make a baby frock with a yoke and puffed sleeves, all measurements must be taken with great care for precise results. After folding the fabric, I'll mark the shoulders and armhole. Mark the chest size, and then join this marking with the bottom. From the bottom end, mark at 1 inch to give it a curved shape. Draw the curve for armhole. Cut along the markings. Now take another piece of fabric and fold it. Mark it as shown and then cut it. Now comes the easy part. Attach the 2 cut pieces with the armhole. Pin them and then sew. Sew the other 2 ends likewise. Make a folding of 2 inches and sew. Leave some gap to insert the elastic. Hem the edges of the sleeves. Sew the sides together. Hem the bottom part. Now comes the last part, that is inserting the elastic. I have taken 16-inch long elastic piece. Insert it with the help of a bobby pin. Sew the ends together and stitch the gap. Our beautiful yoke baby frock is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Hope you like it!